Hey, have you ever felt shy about speaking English? I sometimes get nervous and don't know what to say.
Oh, definitely. I used to be really shy too, but I've been trying some tips to overcome it. Would you like to hear them?
Yes, please. I'd really appreciate any advice. It's just that I worry about making mistakes and sounding silly.
Don't worry, it's completely normal to feel that way. First, try practicing with a friend or a language partner who won't judge you for making mistakes. It can boost your confidence.
That sounds like a good idea. I have a friend who's fluent in English. I'll ask them to practice with me.
Great! Also, don't be afraid to start with simple conversations. Talk about topics you feel comfortable with, like your hobbies or daily activities.
True, I know a lot about those things, so that should make it easier. But what if I can't find the right words?
It's okay to use simple words and phrases. The more you practice, the more your vocabulary will expand. And if you get stuck, you can always ask your friend for help.
I guess you're right. I just need to take small steps and not be too hard on myself.
Exactly. And remember, making mistakes is a part of learning. Everyone makes them, and it's how we improve.
Thanks for the encouragement. I'll try to be more patient with myself.
You're welcome. Another tip is to watch English movies or listen to English songs. It can help you get used to the language and improve your pronunciation.
That sounds fun. I do enjoy watching movies, so it won't feel like studying.
Learning doesn't have to be boring. Lastly, try joining English-speaking groups or clubs. It'll give you more opportunities to practice and meet new people.
I never thought about that, but it sounds like a good way to challenge myself. I'll give it a shot.
Awesome! Just remember, it's okay to take your time. Overcoming shyness in English speaking is a gradual process, but you'll get there.
Thanks for all the tips and the support. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. I know you can do it. Just keep practicing and believe in yourself. You'll become more confident in no time.